Okay, so I just figured out the origin of the US EAS alarm, like attention tone, and also the UK/iPhone alarm. So first, what you want to do is if you own FL Studio, open 3x OSC. Make sure all the channels are set to sign, and then put 10 and 22. Now, you may be wondering, how is this important? Well, I'll show you. Then you're going to right-click on the pitch and then press type in value, plus 853 cents. And now, you can reset the tones to 0, and it sounds like this. But you may be wondering, how? Then just crank 1 or 2 up to 2 semitones, then listen. See? That sounds exactly like it. Oh, don't mind that. That's for another vid.